Weight loss tip number 35, fresh start. New year, new you.
There is a reason why a lot of people start weight loss journeys on January the 1st with a New Year resolution to finally do it and lose the weight. And this can really work well if you avoid this one mistake.
First, the reason this works is that it's easier to convince your brain that you're going to make a new start rather than to convince yourself that you're going to try again. And trying again means thinking about your failures, and that's counterproductive for most people.
When you think, I've tried it before and failed, but it's time to try again because it's January 1st and I've just made a New Year resolution, in your brain, it means another possible failure. Whereas the correct way is to take it seriously. Take the time to learn about weight loss. Don't just dive into it not knowing what you're going to do. And if it helps, we've got loads of resources on our website and on this channel.
Once you've taken in some new information, and there's plenty of information there, take a minute to think where you might have slipped up previously and how you're going to mitigate that this time round.
When you are ready, you know what you've done wrong last time and you know what you're going to do differently this time round, it's time to start convincing yourself. You're not trying again. Oh no, this is a completely fresh start. Today might as well be January 1st, and you are going to try this very new shining strategy for the very first time.
Do you know anyone who makes those New Year's resolutions but never sticks to them, but constantly repeats the same mistakes over and over? Why not share this video with them and help them make a fresh start?
Thanks for watching. For more weight loss tips like this, visit our YouTube channel or head over to bellyproof.com/tips.